Well, he bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And when I need no ladder, Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, must a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, me Afo bring this reasoning to you. This shows a side of Vybz Kartel that I noticed that the media does not like to highlight. Now, Milk share her story, viewers and subscribers. And for those who don't know her, she was the producer of Vybz Kartel's hit reality TV series called Teacher's Pet. Never been replicated in a dancehall history. May I tell you, people tried, but it never worked. Now, she said, now first and foremost, tell this to younger fans of dancehall who might not have heard this story. Now, there was a video, just like when you hear them talk about the Vybz Kartel and Lisa Hype situation. There was a video with Milk and Liquid. You know them have them two named there. Some people say wife and them named there anyway. But they had a video released. You know what I mean? Milk do the thing. Yes. And she's saying, while it propelled DJ Liquid to stardom, people shunned her after the video started to go viral all over the place. Yes, everybody who was anybody with a digital device did see the video, and everybody that shared. She said at one point she found herself homeless, sleeping in her car, viewers and subscribers. She said CVM said them lose confidence in her as a producer. And in this day and age, CVM could have never tried that. You're mad as a woman just because video circulate them take her job from her. You're mad to sue the whole of CVM and get billions of dollars. It couldn't work in this day and age. But she said that time, that was what it was. She said it was a good friend who lived on the same complex, but she used to go over her place to bathe and, you know what I mean, get a grab a breakfast and, yo, the thing did rough. She said at one point in time she had to do informal employment. She said she'd have the highest push in the whole uptown, but they didn't know that. You know what I mean? And just that supply big names and big studios and you know there's something go. But she said, viewers and subscribers, and this more I bring to me. She said it was Vybz Kartel who rescued her, viewers and subscribers. He said, him tell her plain and straight, me you know say you have to come work for me. And she said the track titled Freaky Girl was inspired by her and her video, viewers and subscribers, going viral. And you know that track, and for those who don't, Freaky Girl and them girl they will love. Yes, and not no change. Nothing, not change. The girl them do the thing. In this day and age though, I will say this. If it had happened now, maybe the reaction would have been different. You know what I mean? Yes, maybe people wouldn't have looked at it that way. So maybe even the network themselves wouldn't have resorted to measures that they did resort to in her particular situation when it happened. Because nowadays you have to know how you address the ladies. Add it for the ladies, big up Vybz Kartel for that. Seeing her at that moment in her life where him know her as a good producer producing big shows for the network. And know say just because of one video them gonna talk about them lose confidence in her. And teacher said, no, watch you know. Forward over in the camp. Forward over in the camp and come produce some productions for it. I know when bring her upon a historical move in a dancehall and Jamaican cultural history. The first reality TV series. Hit reality series. As a matter of fact, if the teacher situation as we know it presently did not occur, I guarantee we would be seeing this on VH1. Man, I ask you. Mainly because of the director and the producer's vision, plus member teacher is also an executive producer. So when I say producer, no matter feel like say the teacher's vision was not there. It take a certain individual to know what viewers are looking for when you are bring forward a reality TV series to them. Remember, they know you as an entertainer, and the teacher did not stop putting out the hit tracks at that point in time. So you have to still calculate it with the moves where you make with your own career. Not spreading your attention too thin. Because you still have to focus on the music. The teacher have a whole heap of other business. I mean, if I see how the teacher, you know, that's a normal individual. First and foremost, he is not just a visionary, but he is also somebody who's willing to put in the work to see the visions forward to existence. You have some people who vision it, but them don't really make the moves, take the steps. Like some people say, I don't know, say me that work now. I make my own liquor company. But much people willing to make the moves and the links and actually put it into production. When people hear teachers say, yo, boots. Some people feel like saying, no, that's it. But them actually reach out, make the moves, and get the product. And them say cake soap. Some people are saying, nah, I'm gonna do it. And them actually do it. So I have to say, you respect the teacher in that aspect. Showing young youths that, yes, it is good to vision, but also keep in mind that you can bring the vision into reality. Just by putting in the work, seeking the investors, knowing more about whatever area of commerce you wish to go in. If you say a business you want to lead, sell things or move goods around, gain some knowledge about the field, the part where you want to go in, where they want to manage the company, own the company, you just want to drive the truck there. Gain some knowledge from it, seek some investment and move forward with your dreams. Nobody not say you have to go clock in 9 to 5 and work for nobody else. You don't have to do it. That's a choice that you make based on the situation we are faced presently. Maybe they can't find investors. You can't find the places to turn to right now. And there's somebody who represents you with a 9 to 5. But you need the cabbage to spend right now. So yes, you're going to get the job. But that just based on the situation we are faced at that moment in time. But that doesn't mean you have to give up from the vision. The teacher the music. But the man also had the vision for do open a conglomerate and go into the business aspect. But him still have a focus on the music. So him do the music, it a do what it a do. I pay my attention to the music. Still I give with the hits. But at the same time, him still a gain knowledge from the business them where him feel like say, alright, and them business them want to go into. And while doing the business, him simultaneously kick off in different brands. Shoes and clothes was in the making and it's still not the pause. But the teachers releases in 2021 and we are waiting forward back to get everything in gears. Yes, we have some merch I got jump out soon. Now I mean look out for it. We'll get production deal with that probably I think. Now get them, when I'm putting a date on it, but look out for it soon. Now I mean, but make stories very interesting, especially for young ladies who feel like say, yeah, watching a man. Yeah, if you want to do the thing, do the thing. I mean nobody feel and tell us say, Ray, tell you how to live. See it, no matter what some people try. Similar now. Back on her feet. She do her thing. She's not in the same situation that she was. And these same networks will turn them back on her or reach out to her now. In a half hour. You know what I mean? And she in the position now where she can choose to do it how she want to do it. I know there are different deals when you have structure. You deal. Whether it be with a network or whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? She can forward as an independent way. She have her own production label, so when you see her go up, you can see her own production label there. So that even if she and them fall out later on, she doesn't lose face and her production label goes on. So it'll be a good look. You know what I mean? Her production company, I should say. So definitely a good look. Glad for her, she had the first time she get to finally express what they do take place. Cause just enough people never know them, feel like the video just go on so and them stop see her up on TV and they never know. So yo, she did them take her job from her. You know what I mean? Turn them back. Some people stop dealing with her. So some same woman will do the same thing what she do out with multiple people. Turn them back on her. And I say them not deal with her cause video surface and she do the thing. I fear her more, but I understand what them are trying to say. But anyway, she bounced back. She said Vybz Kartel was the first person out of the music industry to reach out to her and say, no, watch her. You can't give up. You're a great producer. You know what I mean? We are get something together. And me I tell you by God bless him, it was a historic moment in a dancehall and Jamaican cultural history. Especially where television and broadcasting is concerned. You know the industry we teach you that forward from the entertainment industry. So, you know, it tied in very well. But it was a very exciting moment, you know, for those who got to see it as it aired. I was practically being a part of history at that point in time to be the first viewers of these episodes. You know the something did go. You know what I mean? And I think it was even the same station who turned their back on her, who reached out for the series too. I think that was the case. I think that was the very case. Talk to me in the comment section if you remember. You know what I mean? But you know the something go. Until the reason again, me as a live, love and prosper. By the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, entertainment representative, the Gaza representative. You know the something go. Now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Until the reason again, I up move settings from I'm gonna need the ladder.